Hi, and welcome to Park It Theme Parks Edition. Today, I'm going to give you 5 tips on how to maximize your Halloween experience at Disneyland Park. Please subscribe to my channel so that I can help you maximize your theme park experiences. Tip number 1 is to hit the World of Disney before you enter the park. For those of you who don't know, the World of Disney is a large souvenir shop that you pass by in downtown Disney on your way to Disneyland Park and California Adventure main gates. Many people prefer to get their souvenirs from the World of Disney, so the trick is going at the right time. If you stop by in the morning on your way to the parks, you will find it to be less crowded. You will also find that the merchandise is less picked over. Most people shop at World of Disney as they are exiting the parks. I would not recommend shopping at this time. You will most likely be exhausted and have really tired feet, and the last thing you will want to do is stand in another line. Tip number 2 is to wait to get your photo taken by the Mickey Mouse pumpkin. This is because there will probably be a long line to do so, and the lighting won't be that great. I recommend going to Haunted Mansion and getting in line right away. Then you can come back to the pumpkin during the golden hour, which is about an hour before sunset, and the lighting will be much better for your photos. The line to take the photo will probably be shorter as well, because at this time of day, many people are choosing to get photos taken in front of the castle. Even though the Mickey Mouse pumpkin is a great place to take a photo, there's many other places that have great Halloween decorations in downtown Disney that are a lot less crowded. Even Haunted Mansion might be a better place to take a Halloween type photo. Tip number 3 is to head straight to Haunted Mansion as soon as you enter the park. This is because you will probably be feeling in the Halloween mood and want to ride it. Once you get in line at the Haunted Mansion, pull up your app and use your MaxPass to book a FastPass for Haunted Mansion later. That FastPass will definitely keep you from standing in a really long line later. The Haunted Mansion only gets more crowded during Halloween season as the day goes on. Tip number 4 is to look for the best Halloween decorations near Downtown Disney, Main Street USA, and Haunted Mansion. There are some areas of the park that have very little decorations or none at all, like Galaxy's Edge. So if you want decorations in your photos, make sure to stick to those 3 areas. Tip number 5 is to get a Halloween treat from Candy Palace after the parades are over, but before the dinner rush sets in. There are definitely other places to get Halloween treats, but Candy Palace is going to have a very large selection. It's located on Main Street USA, which is why you want to avoid it during parade times, and also why you want to avoid it during the dinner rush. If I were about to head to Disneyland during the Halloween season, this would be my proposed itinerary. I would hit World of Disney and pick up any Halloween souvenirs that I could before the park opens. I would then have guest services hold them at the main gate. Number 2, upon entering the main gate, I would head straight to Haunted Mansion. While in line for the attraction, I would pull up my app and book a FastPass for Haunted Mansion later. Number 3, I would then ride as many other attractions as I could, and then I would have a late lunch. Hopefully by this time I would have missed the parade crowd. Then I would head to Main Street USA and go to Candy Palace and get a Halloween treat. While I was nearby to the Mickey Mouse pumpkin, I would then go and get my photo taken during the golden hour, which is about an hour before sunset. After that, I would use my FastPass for Haunted Mansion. Hopefully I would be able to get it at that time, and then I would have a late dinner. So that concludes my video today. I hope you found it helpful. Halloween time is a really fun time to visit Disneyland, and I hope you have the best time. Please comment below and let me know how your visit went. I also want to hear any other tips you might have that I didn't think of. Thanks so much for watching Park It Theme Parks Edition. Please subscribe to my channel. Please hit the like button, and I hope we can connect soon. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook.